So today we're going to check out a really cool food truck. Today it's in Meridian, Idaho. It's obviously a food truck, so it does move around, but it's Kain, not Teo. So this is going to be lots of fun. Let's go check this out.
Alright, hi, I'm Chris Bea, owner of Kain, the Filipino food truck. Today we have our last service for 2024. As we get ready to go into winter, I'm going to be going part-time with the food truck, doing private caterings. But today we're just going to celebrate what a wonderful first year we had here in Idaho. And then we're going to start already planning for next year. You can find me on Instagram at Kain, _Natayo, spelled just like that, where I'll be posting updates of where I am and what I'll be selling. This is Filipino food, innovated and created by me. Family recipes, twisted, staples. In the future, I'll be on Street Food Finders, where you can find me, or you can just follow the Instagram, where I'll post where I'll be.
Perfect. Well, thank you.
Thank you.
I'm cooking vegetables and beef and adobo and rice.
Alright, so today we have Kain, the Filipino food truck, the last service for 2024. And we're kind of doing something special. We're getting all of the menu, condensing it, and we're allowing people to build their own plate from the menu. So right now we have my team, Braden and Hillen, all building plates. Alright, so this project started in March 2023. Been worked on all year. The truck came here in the winter of 2023. Then because it was winter, it was put into storage. And by 2024, we got the everything rolling, and that was the first year of service, which is this year. So that's been that.
Has it been a good year?
Yeah, a lot of learning curves, and I think that's what's great is I've had a lot of busy days, a lot of slow days, just to figure out what's good and what's not. Done a lot of specials to see what can sell and what cannot. This food truck's been an idea since I worked with Braden in like what 2019.
Very cool.
So yeah, back in the days of Bella Aquila, making stir fry for family meal.
Good work, man. You made it. We're here.
Yep.
We're here in a box.
In the weeds.
In the weeds. Waiting on
Lumpia.
Lumpia.
Lumpia is a beef stuffed egg roll with small, or if you want to be technical, brunoise, fine brunoise mirepoix, which is onion, celery, and carrots. It's also got sriracha, honey, a lot of lime zest and juice, and soy sauce. And then it's all mixed together and rolled into lumpia wrappers, and we air fry it instead of deep fry, just for health reasons. I like air frying too. So yeah.
My name is Braden, and I'm cooking on a food truck. And I'm making chicken with this thing, soy sauce.
What kind of chicken?
Adobo chicken. Chicken adobo. Oh, that looks cool. Is that it? Is that all we need in there?
Some vinegar.
Vinegar. Over here? The silver swan vinegar?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna fry our garlic in some oil, low heat. We wanna not let it get too much color, but become fragrant. And then we're gonna get our rice, best with overnight rice. Get it in there, saute it up, get it up to heat.
Making pork belly, making beef. We got vegetables and garlic rice, kind of in a rush. We have lumpia, which is like a Filipino like egg roll kind of thing. That's going in here. Those are almost done. And yeah, that's kind of it, honestly.
So what is their more popular dish here?
What is the most popular dish here?
Everything.
Everything's popular.
So, I mean, it's just a random Sunday that we picked. This was just to make sure that everyone that can come will come. But it's just a last day of service for 2024. And then I collaborated with my dad to throw on this event.
Does it have a name?
No?
We should name it.
Last service party.
Last service party, baby. Okay, sounds good.
Kain Natayo. Come back anytime.
Well, thanks for watching. Like Chris said, if you want to check these guys out, check them out on either Instagram or on some of the food truck apps. And if you like the video, make sure and like it, and make sure and subscribe. There'll be more of these. Have a great day.